you how to install foam insulation around your light sockets. And what this does is it helps prevent heat from escaping during the winter. And when you're choosing the light sockets to put the insulation on, try to pick light sockets that are on walls that face the outside. That way you're preventing the most heat from escaping. Now these foam insulation pads are fairly cheap. They're just 10 cents to about $1, and it's a really easy fix. So all you're going to do is first poke out the pre-made holes, and if there aren't pre-made holes, you can cut them out yourselves, and then unscrew it off. Just take your foam insulation and put it right on. Then screw back on. That's it. Now you're done.